I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your internet browser app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, so then it's going to show for you list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on apps, then you come to apps this here, and there you're looking for internet browser app, or just click on search. Then here add internet, so add here internet browser app. It's going to show for you like this, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this is here, just click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storage this here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.